All right, I think I'm back here. This is grade 12. Bye-bye. Go to grade 11, which is this one. All right, let's go. Right? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, guys. Here we go. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you, going forward from the last video, what I did. So if I click on Ray, I basically deleted all my keys that were not story time, like the important points, okay? Important poses, all right? So first pose, neutral, which I told you I don't like, I have to fix. Second one is squash. Then it's like the peel out, number 3. Then it's air, which is hang, I have to fix. 4 is landing on my heel, then flapping down. Okay, so you see boom, boom, and then this is kind of an in-between here. It is an in-between or breakdown. And then this is a hop up, boom, from here to here. That's way too long, but I am not paying attention to timing right now, okay? So I'm just picking keys that I'm gonna fix. Okay, so it's kind of like a settle, and then he turns, faces at some point, and that's way too many keys here. I don't like it. 1, 2, 3, that's too much. So I have to get rid of those two. So from here, I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, so I'll get rid of these two. I'm gonna hold shift, and I thought I got rid of these. Apparently not. Delete. Okay, so here, boom, 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 and then turn, and that looks terrible. So I don't even need that. And then it goes to, Balian. How many things you got to get rid of here? Delete. So from here, I go to the next one, which is this, and then I turn. Okay. I'm gonna save this, and I'll give it a number 2A or 3 here. See you, Nathan. Okay, so here, all right, the next thing I want to do is, here's a couple things you can do that simplifies your life entirely. And I've mentioned this before. Select everything, and you just go to stepped, okay? Let's go to stepped. Where's my stepped? Step. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to keep these 2 frames apart or 4 frames apart. That's it. Those are my keys. Watch how this is going to change. First pose. Boom. So if I start at 1, ideally I start at 0, but anyway, I'm just gonna go right here. I'm just gonna move it to 6 for now, and I'm just gonna go 4. Everything is like 4, 4, 4. And usually I could do this every frame. I'm just focusing on the poses, okay? So this is something you can do, middle shift, middle scroll, and then that kind of thing. So I'll grab these 2, middle scroll over, and I'll do them 4 frames apart. Just because you guys are in high school, it's kind of like not easy for you to do what I'm doing, but shift left click, middle scroll the way over. And I am basically doing this so that I spend time looking at my poses and nothing else. Okay? So from here, shift left click, let go, middle scroll over. I should have done these 2 frames apart, but anyway, c'est la vie. Here we go, like that. And then here's the last one. Okay, shift left click. That's the next thing I'm gonna do is I'll go to my end, and I'm going to change this to, what, 48 maybe? Okay, let's go to 48 here. That's right. Backspace, 48. Right? 48, please. Thank you. That's it. And then I'm going to come over here, and I want to thicken up. I thought I did thicken up my key sizes. Whatever. 24 frames. That's it. We're good. Okay. It's not doing anything for me here. I don't know why. It's not thickening it up. Anyway, so now at this point, let me grab all of these, and I'm gonna actually go in closer, and I'm gonna make this one a 5, because from 1 and 4, so everything is like, so what you could do also, you can right click on these. Some of you are having these issues, you're finding fractions 0.10, 0.0 something, so you right click and you click on snap. All right, here we go. Pose 1, which is terrible. It's not a neutral pose. That's not terrible. It's just not, what is that? Like, I should be looking ahead, not down. Anyway, all good. Just a squash, boom, peel out, air. I gotta fix that. My knees, I want to come up, so good. Then coming down my heel, boom, land, and then slide over. Like the weight shift changes, and then I hop and I land. There's not much of a movement here. Like tick, tick. There's very little, so I should make that a little more. Give it more space, so I could like going forward. Okay, so I'm just thinking out loud. Oh, boom. And then I turn, and eventually I'll do another pose with the thumbs up and another blink, okay? or something. Okay, so this is what I have. So I'll save this. And then what you do is you export this as a play blast, okay? And you just say, these are my keys. As soon as I add that little thumbs up for me, I will do that, okay? So I can right click here, go to play blast and do my thing. Reboot, this is number 2, I believe, or 3. I hope this works, and I'll end the video right here, okay? Always show your progress, always, always, always. Second, which I've said to you guys, double, triple check your reference to see how you're doing, okay? Don't make up things. It shows in the animation. It shows on mine when I make up things, okay? Thank you. That's it for me. Balian out.